Welcome to the world of mole conversions where chemistry math turns into a story. Let's follow our hero, a little sugar molecule named glucose, as he figures out who he is and how to measure himself. One day, glucose wanted to know how much he weighed, so he stepped on the chemistry scale called molar mass. To find his molar mass, we add up the weights of every atom that makes up glucose: 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. That comes out to 180.18 grams per 1 mole. So glucose proudly says, for every mole of me, I weigh 180.18 grams. And that's our conversion to go between grams and moles. Molar mass lets you switch between grams of a compound and moles of that same compound. But then glucose felt small. He wondered, how many of me are there in a mole? That's when he met Avogadro's number, the superstar of the chemistry world, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Avogadro told glucose, 1 mole of you is not just one sugar molecule, it's 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd of you. That's a huge party. So now glucose knew another path. To go between moles and particles, 1 mole is always 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules, atoms, particles, or formula units. Next, glucose imagined being a gas. If 1 mole of any gas floats into a balloon at standard temperature and pressure, it always takes up the same space, 22.4 liters. That means if glucose were a gas at STP, 1 mole of him would fill 22.4 liters of volume. And just like that, glucose learned that to convert in between moles and volume, we use the STP conversion. Now glucose wanted to tie all these paths together. He drew his mole map. Moles in the center as the middle ground. To the left, grams connected through molar mass. To the right, particles connected through Avogadro's number. And above, liters at STP connected through 22.4 liters per 1 mole. Whenever you want to go from grams to particles, particles to liters, or liters to grams, you just travel through the center moles. To remember this story, think of glucose in 3 stages. On the scale for molar mass to convert in between grams and moles, at the party for Avogadro's number to convert in between moles and particles, and in the balloon for 22.4 liters to convert in between moles and volume. Whenever you're lost in a conversion, picture glucose weighing himself, counting his friends, or floating in a balloon. So that's mole conversions in story form. Moles are always the middle ground, and the conversion factors, molar mass, Avogadro's number, and 22.4 liters at STP, are the bridges to get you where you need to go. In glucose, he learned that he's not just one sugar molecule. In chemistry, he's part of a whole team, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd strong.